Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 8 and D is 12. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication or multiplication or division. Division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So, now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. Inside, we have two brackets. One is this one, another one is this one. So what we have to do, we have to solve first bracket, which is 44 minus 20. So it becomes 24 and divided by, we will write here as it is, multiply by 8 minus 7. We have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 44 minus 20 equals to 24. Now move forward. Step number 1 we will repeat because we have another bracket which is this one 8 minus 1. So we have to solve this one which is 24 divided by 3 multiplied by 8 minus 1 equals to 1 and 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Now move forward. Step number 2 which is exponent part or order of operation. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip this step. Now we have to go for division and multiplication or division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 24 divided by 3, which it becomes 8 multiplied by 1. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference this one 24 divided by 3, it becomes 8. Now move forward, we have here two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 8. So the answer of the given expression is this. If you see the answer list, answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.